All right, so the first thing that you are going to do is go into Thunkable, thunkable.com, then go to Start Building in your projects. Start Building. You called it Hello World. Hello World. Okay. You don't have to watch this video. This is just to show you the different steps of where to find things. But you don't need to watch it, so you can just press the X button. All right, so the first thing that we did was change the background color of your screen. And to do that, just press the screen, go here, background color, press this drop-down menu, the arrow, choose which color you want. I'm going to do blue, light blue. Okay. Next thing that we did was we go here and go to label. So label is where you can have text on your screen. So label, it's going to take label, drag it onto your screen until you see that plus button right there and drop it. Then press label, press the word label on the screen. Then go to text right here, text here. Press in the word label, backspace on it, and say hello. That. And then I'm going to press enter. All right. And then you can also change the font of Hello World. And to change the font, go to color, press on it. I'm going to make it, let's see, make it like a dark blue. Okay. And then next thing that we did was we went to here and we can get the button. So here is where all the components are. Components mean that these are the items that you can drag onto your screen to make your screen more interesting. So these are where you will find everything that we put on the screen. So the button, label will all be here in the components box. And you can also look up the item that you're looking for. So we are going to be putting a button next. So you just go here, button, drag the button here, till you see the plus, and they can also adjust where you want the button to go underneath until you see a line underneath like that. Press on the button, change the text to screen 2 like that. You can also change the color of the button. If you press on the button, make sure the button has the red dots around it. Then go to background color and change to a different color. Maybe make it white. No, actually not white. Let's make it like the shade of blue, like that. And then press this plus button at the top on the screen as well. And back to screen 1. So I just pressing this button will add a new screen, and I have a screen 2 here. So now we are going to code this screen so that when you press the button, it will bring you to screen 2. So we're going to go to blocks, make sure that it says screen 1, it has that blue line, go to blocks here, and then go to button right here, button, and button 1 click, drag that into your workspace. So we went to button right here, and button 1 click, hold and drag it to, this is the workspace. This is called the workspace. Then control. So I went to control at the top, navigate to screen 1 here, hold that, drag it here. Okay. And just drop down adjust that to screen 2. So I want to button 1 click, drag that in, control, navigate to screen 1, drag that in, adjusted the drop down to screen 2. And then when you do the live test, right here is called a live test, this will let you test out your app. So as you can see, this looks like a phone screen. This will show you a phone screen and it will let you use your app. So just press it, press screen 2, and it'll bring you to, this is the second screen. But right now our screen has nothing on it. So I had, as a little bit of homework, completely optional homework, to make your screen look more fun, that you can go to the background color, change the color to like green if you want, to light green. You can add text saying like, my name is this, to say whatever you want. Yeah, so do live test again. Hello world, screen 2. And it takes us to the green screen that we just made. So that was what we did in the Thunkable app, and I hope that this helped you. Yeah. Thanks.